7th inning. First out, big one you say?
First out's a big one.
First out, first up there is Emily Snow. She's the right fielder. Snow is 0 for 2, struck out swinging back in the 2nd inning, grounded to the 3rd baseman in the 4th. So she's 0 for 2 in this game. Here's the pitch, here's the fly ball, heading toward left field. Out there is Gearing, one gone. That'll bring up Molly Burke, who's 1 for 2, struck out swinging to the 3rd out in the 2nd inning of play. And then single right out in front of the plate. And reach base to lead off the 5th inning in this ball game.
Lutheran's got to try to get something going here now.
So what do you think of Sanders, Coach? She's done an awfully good job, hasn't she?
She's done an excellent job. 17 innings last night, 7 today.
Ground ball to short. Raider, first base, she's on. Now you're really in a heap of hurt. We'll go back at the top of the order with Lawson. If she can get on, Jensen Britt will come to the plate. Lawson struck out in the 1st, flied to center in the 3rd, reached on a sacrifice, or actually sacrificed 3 to 4 in the 5th inning after Melly Burke had led off with the single to right in the plate. So here comes Lawson. It could be their last hope now for Indianapolis Lutheran. Foul ball. Lawson, a junior, 31 for 67, leads the club in runs. A .463 hitter, so the batting average would indicate that she's got a shot at getting on. And right now, Randy, more than anything, they need some base runners.
Just need base runners.
Oh, what a beautiful pitch. It took a while, but the ump finally called it a strike. This thing looks like it's in slow-mo. Oh, beautiful throw by Sanders. This pitch comes in a fastball high. 2 balls, 2 strikes.
I think that was the key to this game was she threw a lot of changeups, kept hitters off balance.
But resting her arm also?
Yeah, resting her arm, yeah.
Oh, ball game over. Wow, what a terrific effort. Let's just think about this in its total context. Randy, Tecumseh last night goes 17 innings. They finally win it 3-1. They get back to their hotel after winning with the game ended after 1 o'clock in the morning. They have to find some fast food someplace to eat. They have at the most they're going to get 4 or 5 hours of rest. When I came out here and talked to the girls, they said, we are pumped, we are ready. This is a terrific story.